So my prenups are not, they're very tailored to the person and their circumstances. I send them home with a lot of questions. What are you really trying to accomplish with this? And I've often had a lot of people come to me with, I want a prenup to protect her stuff. I don't have anything. I have no problem with it.
I know you don't.
Because
but too many
makes
other
sense.
to you, but too many attorneys don't take that.
I also at least try to offer the idea of what is called a sunset provision. If you've been married, now in California, if you've been married longer than 10 years, it's considered a long-term marriage, which trips on the idea of spousal support being a permanent concept. You get half of pensions, you get half of, it really, that 10-year mark makes a big difference.
Right.
You also, when you're writing a prenup, you don't want to encourage people to get divorced. That's a problem.
Right.
So you've got to write it with enough intelligence and foresight to at least be able to say, okay, if you're married longer than 15 years, or if you're married 20 years, or 22 years, would you at that point say, rip the prenup up and it all becomes community property? Because obviously the longer that you're married, statistically, the better it's working. So I always try to offer different variants of what it could be. It's not just this standard 2-page where what's mine is mine and what's yours is yours and essentially bug off. I try to say, okay, well, what happens if you have children and one of you stays home and gives up their career to stay home? And then 5 years later, you say, well, I'm done. I've built this empire and it started from over there, so you don't get any of it. Is that really how you want to cherish this person? Or maybe provide something? So